In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer mode on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select the Advanced option here. And then scrolling down again underneath for developers, developer mode, install apps from any source including loose files. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference. You will likely need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.